Witness 9 colorway makes an electrifying statement with a vibrant orange upper that radiates energy on and off the court. Crafted with lightweight synthetic materials, the shoe features dynamic ribbing along the side panels for structure and style. The mid-cut silhouette offers a balanced mix of mobility and support, ideal for quick cuts and powerful drives. A black textured swoosh outlined in gold adds a sharp contrast and premium finish, while the matching black tongue and inner lining reinforce the aggressive look. Cushioning is concealed yet responsive, most likely featuring Air Max in the heel for impact protection, highlighted by the signature crown detail beneath the outsole. The peach-hued midsole fades subtly into a translucent rubber outsole, providing a modern touch and reliable traction. This fiery colorway embodies LeBron's fearless playing style, making it a standout choice for fans who want performance and bold visual appeal.